Good morning, students. Once again, we are going to be start our. As I told you that we have finished right now chapter 15, probability. Now we are going to be start our chapter 1, which is your real numbers. In this, some topic has deleted, which will not come in your exam. So that topic is, you will see from the index, the Euclid division lemma that was in your syllabus. Belongs to that topic. We have exercise 1.1. So we are not going to be introduced, we are not going to be read this topic, what is the Euclid lemma, and we will not do that. We will not read the topic, we will not read the example, and we will not go with the exercise also. Okay, then exercise 1.2 will do. Then your next topic for the exercise 1.3, revisiting irrational numbers, that also we will not do completely, we will not do. So before that, means you will do the exercise 1.2. Then after 1.2 you will not read the example, you will not go through the exercise 1.3 because this is not in the syllabus, so we will not do. Then we will go for the exercise 1.4. So we will start what it is in the chapter 1, real number. Euclid lemma we will not see, so you will see the page number 8, where they have given you fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay, what according to this is all your introduction also we are marking right now only. From the page number 8, theorem 1.2, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. This you have to write in your class 4 notebook also as your introduction, which is saying every composite number can be expressed. First, what is the composite number? Composite numbers are those numbers which having factors more than 2. That we say composite numbers. Okay, so every composite number can be expressed, factorized as a product of primes. Now primes are what? Having two factors, one and itself. Composite more than two factors, and your prime is your having two factors, one and itself. Okay, this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. मतलब आपका कोई भी कंपोजिट नंबर है, कोई भी कंपोजिट नंबर आपने लिया तो उसकी जो आप लिख सकते हो, उसकी जो फैक्टर्स लिखोगे वो आप उसके प्राइम नंबर्स को फैक्टराइजेशन फॉर्म में लिखोगे, और वो जो भी होगा वो आपका फिक्स होगा, उसके अलावा और नहीं हो सकता. फैक्टर्स दैट कैन बी द यूनिक ओनली, बट देयर ऑर्डर कांट बी मैटर लाइक दिस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you can see this 210. 210 is your composite number. Okay, when you're going to factor it, no, by the prime factorization method, when you're going to find the factor, so it will come 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30, and your 7 is 210. ठीक है, अगर अब मैं इसकी जगह इसको अगर ऐसे लिख देती हूँ, सपोज 3 into 5 into 7 into 2, so it is the same thing only. But we prefer that our smallest number should come first, or this. If I am going to be write like this also, no, so it will also not wrong. Correct? So their order will not matters that much. This should be unique. This will come. Okay. So this only your fundamental theorem was saying to us. Again, we will go through it. Every composite number having the two factors, more than two factors, can be expressed as a product form, which I have shown you 2, 3 multiply in the form. Then this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Okay, this is done. Now you come to the page number 9, and you can say your third paragraph. Below to figure, you can say your second paragraph, otherwise from the starting your third paragraph. The prime factorization of a natural number is unique except for the order of its factor. This thing only they have concluded the short form only. Then you know that in the example they have given, but you have to write as introduction from the page number 10. What is the HCF? You know that the HCF is the product of the smallest power of each common prime factor in the number. आप जो कॉमन चीज निकालते हो पावर, HCF हायर कॉमन फैक्टर, वो LCM क्या होता है आपका? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ग्रेटेस्ट पावर ऑफ द ईच प्राइम फैक्टर इन्वॉल्व इन द नंबर. सभी नंबर्स को लेना होता है. HCF LCM you all are used to it, correct now? So they are telling us, so this you will write as the definition also from the example 6. This will take. Now one more formula is there. Suppose HCF of any number AB we are taking. Okay, multiply of LCM of any number AB will be equals to what? It will be always equals to AB, product of the AB. आप जब ए बी नंबर का HCF निकालोगे, उसका HCF और इनका LCM, जो भी दो नंबर निकल के आएंगे, they will be equals to the product of this, means it will come in the form of LHS equals to RHS. This result will come there. Now these are the things we are going to be apply in our exercise 1.2. So 1.2 we are going to do today. We will do till the 4 question, that rest will continue in the next class. So we will finish the next class, this remaining, and the next exercise also we will finish it. Where also we will talk about the terminating, non-terminating, which already you have done in the class 9th. Okay. So we will see exercise 1.2. Before that, you will just mark the questions which are the classwork and homework. In question number 1, first part in homework, second part in your classwork, third part in your homework. We have first and third part in your homework. This also, these both are in homework, and your second part and your fourth part in classwork, and your fifth part in practice work. Okay. Question number 2, homework, classwork, practice work. Question number 2, your first part homework, second part your classwork, third part your practice work. And question number 3, we will see question number classwork, your first part, homework is your second part, and practice work is your third part. And question number 4 in homework. So first we will do our question number 1, and your which part? Second part, which has given to you 156. Express each number as a product of its prime factors. 156, you need to find the prime factors. You know very well how to find it. Like this, you are going to find it. So it will start from the with the 2 we will start. So whenever we start with the 2, so what it will come here? 2 7s and your 2 8s, then 2 3s and your 2 9s. Then what it will come there? 3 1s and 3s and your 30. So what factors we got? 2 into 2 into 3 into 30. This you are studied from the 6th 7th class. So this is, I don't think so this is new to you. So which you can't do. Okay. Now we will see the question number. This we have done. Now we'll go with the fourth. Fourth part is given here 5005. This, okay, and this we are going to be remove it. Now the question number 2 we will see, and sorry, this part only we are working. Again you need to find like this only. Okay, so with the 5 we will start first. So it has came now. Now we can go with the 7. 7 1s are 3 and 7 4s are and 7 3s are 143. Now 143 we can divide by the 11. Agree, no? 11 1s are 11 3s are. Now it will go with the 31. So what factors we got here? 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. I hope it is clear to everyone. Then we will go for the question number 2. On this we are going to be doing it. Now the question number 2 we will see. Like this only. Question number 2, second part we are doing. Question number 2, second part we are doing. They said for the find the LCM and HCM of the following pairs of the integer and verify the LCM into HCM product of their two numbers. Find number has given you 510 and the 92. You have to find the factors of the 510 by the prime factors only, like this which I have shown you. When you are going to find, it will come 2 into 3 into 5 into 70. That you can check by that also how it will come. Then we'll go with the 92. Factors of the 92, it will come 2 into 2 into 23. HCF we need to get. What should be the HCF? Common means 2. When we find the LCM, LCM means we have to take everything. Whatever the common with that and the other number also we have to take. LCM also with complete when we are talking. So it will come your 460. When you will find it now, it will come 460 will come. So this we got. Now we have to cross check it. What we will get it. So what we will, how we will do? What formula we are having for the verification? For the verification, we have the formula that this 2 into means formula we are having HCF and LCM. HCF and your LCM and your HCF will be equals to the number, given number. So see, 2 into 2, 3, 4, 6, 0 will be equals to, when we will multiply it, what will come? This, and the numbers are 510 into 92. So when you are going to be multiply them, so what it should come? Little bit calculation is there. When you are going to try it, it will come 4,690 20. 46,920. It will only come. Just go through the calculation, check it. It will come this way. So here it has came done. Then similarly we will go for the chapter question number 3 also. All the 3 will find. Here they have just told to find the only simple your LCM verification can't be possible. Okay. So question number 3 also we will go through it. Just check once. Open it. Question number 3, first part. Numbers has given you 12, 15, 21. Find the factors of this. 12 will be 2 into 2 into 3. And the 15 will be 3 into 5. And this will be 3 into 7. LCM and HCF we need to find. What should be the HCF? What is the common? 3 is the common. And what will the LCM? Whatever remaining things are there, all we are going to be right. So all things, this 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, when you are going to be right, it will come your 420. Yes. This is the required answer. Fine. So this much has done here. Just go through it, try all the questions till the question number 4. Rest we will discuss in the next class. Till then, thank you. Take care all of you and do your work regularly. Kindly don't skip them. Do your work regularly. Thank you all of you.